Debbie from Rick and Winton. Right, talking on the streets with no name. What's happening on the quays? Well, Salford Council's brought a new law out. Yes, a new law, you can't swear. You come from Salford and you can't swear. Oh my God, what is all that about? Really? Are they trying to turn Salford there, that little part of Salford, into London? I'm beginning to think they are. Can you imagine them saying it in the deepest, darkest Odsal? Or the wicked part of West? Or the peculiar part of Pendleton? Or the crazy part of Kersal? I was going to say something about Whit Lane then, but I better not. I think on that note, I think we'll go to a bit of Squeeze. Another nail in my heart.
Until sadly I was never happy. I needed so much more. Rain clouds, oh, they used to chase me. Down they would pour. Join my tears. I lay my to me from heaven, Sally Cinnamon, you're my word. You take the cherry, there is something, hey, you will show me from what
That was the Stone Roses, and that was going out there to Mike Smith. He said, Williams, put some Stone Roses on. Sally Cinnamon. Don't really get much better than Sally Cinnamon, does it? She's my world. Anyway, been thinking, all you can get on the news nowadays is EU. Yes, EU. Do we stay in? Do we go out? Well, Williams' views is we go out. Why? Because I'm sick of subsidising someone in Belgium and France and all that. But if you're listening in Belgium and all France, you're welcome. You're welcome to whatever we want. But the thing is, I don't think we should be in the EU. I don't think it benefits us. We are an island. We can survive on our own. And all this, what France is saying, like, oh, we can't control the borders. Well, we can control our own borders. That's it. It's simple to do. You need a passport to come into our country, right? If you've not got a passport, you're not coming in. Simple as. If you're going to come here and you want to work, then fair enough. But if you want to come and claim dole, then that's not fair enough. Do you know what I mean? If you got to take out what you put in. If you don't put out in, then you don't take now out. Now, I put in for all my life. And so has probably most of the listeners. So, you look at it realistically. Why do we subsidise anybody else? Why? Because it's wrong. That's why. Put in before you take out. Simple as. End of. On that note, I think I'll go to a bit of Helen Shapiro. Yes, Helen Shapiro. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Helen Shapiro now. She was the youngest girl ever to have a number one until Billie Piper. I think Helen Shapiro was 16, just turned 17, but Billie Piper had one just a few months earlier than Helen Shapiro. But to me, there's only one Helen Shapiro walking back to happiness. And this is going out there to Norma Parkinson Green. Yes, one of the golden girls from Search.
Funny, but it's true what loneliness can do. Since I've been away, I have loved you more each day, walking back to happiness. Oh, yeah, yeah. Said goodbye to loneliness. Oh, yeah. I never knew I'd miss you. Now I know what I must do. Walking back to happiness I shared with you. I'm making up for things I said. Oh, yeah. And mistakes to which they led. Oh, yeah. I shouldn't have gone away, so I'm coming back today. Walking back to happiness I threw away. Walking back to happiness with you. Said farewell to loneliness I knew. Laid aside foolish pride, learned the truth from tears I cried. Spread the news, I'm on my way. Oh, yeah. All my blues have blown away. Oh, yeah. I'm bringing you love so true, 'cause that's what I owe to you. Walking back to happiness I shared with you. Walking back to happiness with you. Said farewell to loneliness I knew. Laid aside foolish pride, learned the truth from tears I cried. Spread the news, I'm on my way. Oh, yeah. All my blues have blown away. Oh, yeah. I'm bringing you love so true, 'cause that's what I owe to you. Walking back to happiness I shared with you. Walking back to happiness again. Walking back to happiness again.
But the fact of the matter is, joy comes from that bliss of connectedness. That's our God spirit. That's that side of ourselves that really feels it. You can feel it deep inside. It's this amazing, wonderful feeling. And you know it when you get it. You don't get it from money. You get it from connection.
your windows, shut your eyes, get off the streets and go inside. You've got nothing to prove, you're safe tonight.
True terrorists of our world do not meet at the docks at midnight or scream Allah Akbar before some violent action. The true terrorists of our world wear $5,000 suits and work in the highest positions of finance, government, and business.